Come and fight for the goal in life. Don't let it go so easily, just like a smoke. It is not so cheap. Close your eyes and see whether you can see your aim of life. If you not, visualize it again. Do it again and again till it start coming in close eyes. When it get visualized, start working on it and don't leave a second wasted. It is one life and you have to utilize it to the fullest. Friends and fun will come and go, but your success depends on the work done at the right time. Don't think it is right, it is night. Get up early in the morning, utilize your time every second. Don't Google what is smart working. Just remember, people who get success are crazy for it. We never thought and didn't Google the difference between smart and hard working. But even then, they have become successful. Why? Yes, why I am asking you. Because they don't have any other dream. They live and die for their goal. They don't care about it is raining or it is hot. But what they remember is how long they work. They analyze their failure. They know getting success is not so hard as it seems. But the hard part is to sustain on that level of success, to maintain it. Once get successful, things get changed. But in that changing environment, how to intact yourself is more difficult. All successful people have one thing in common, and that is they learn from other people and their mistakes too. Why do you fear so much, so high to make mistakes? Learn from them. Just remember, don't regret not doing mistake in the past. When you work on something and mistakes do occur, don't bother, just analyze the cause of doing mistakes. Remember it and work on it. Someone has said it right, that mistakes are the best and real teacher of a successful person. Success is not an overnight story for someone, but you have to keep yourself prepared. Try to fail, try harder. If you fail again, then cross-check your mistakes. In the run of success, there is no teacher to mentor you. When you fail, then you are responsible. But when you get successful, then don't let be you only. Give credit to others and most to those who believe in you. So when you reach the point of success, then you are not alone at that point. Be a fighter. When failures let you put down, get up again and fight with life. Don't let the aim of life move away from you so easily. Put your efforts so hard that it turns towards you. Your success and failure are the two parts of a coin. Always remember, the failures are the learning lesson of your life, which taught you new things. Always remember this too, that when we have what we have in our hand is the work. We don't know about the result. Don't think that in everything you get success, but sometimes you have to taste the fruit of failures also.